Cherian, were you then a little surprised at the backlash that Zomato got? Because Zomato got a lot of backlash to say that ek to Dipinder Goyal is Hindu and he's doing all these Christian things. Secondly, there were some people who said, when you know the communally charged times that we live in, why are you putting your delivery partners in the way of harm by dressing them up as Santas? Were you surprised at the backlash poor Dipinder Goyal got?
You know, I think that what happens with big brands is that they become the focus of attention, because small, tiny bands of vandals will find it very easy to get attention because of the fact that they are tilting at a very gigantic windmill. And I think that is unfortunately the situation where Zomato has found itself on this matter.
But Dr. Uday, last year I remember Fab India found itself in the middle of such a controversy. You remember Jashne Rivaz?
Yes.
The ad campaign that they had launched? They had to pull it off because it is not some right-wing fringe who complained against it and called it anti-Hindu. It was BJP mainstream leaders. One of the points being made by BJP leaders was, इन लोगों ने बिंदी क्यों नहीं लगा रखा? अगर if this is about Diwali, why are they giving an Islamic twist to a Hindu festival? So this is not just the fringe, is the point I'm making.
Fab India and what happened today with Zomato are two little separate things, and we can discuss it separately. Number one. Number two, as is rightly said by the panelist, Santa Claus has nothing to do with Christianity. It is a marketing symbol, a marketing gimmick. Some smart ad agency created it a point of sale. So if you want the delivery boy to dress like a Ram or Hanuman, you create your own brand, you create your own marketing might and give a deal to Zomato कि भैया अगली राम नवमी के दिन जो डिलीवरी होगा वो राम के भेष में होगा, they will accept it. Number two, this is avoidable.
उसमें कितना बवाल हो जाएगा आप समझ सक रहे हैं?
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
If that happens, can you imagine the बवाल it will create?
तब पता चलेगा हमारे टॉलरेंस लेवल का. Number two, this incident cannot be a national symbol of the mood of the people when the Prime Minister himself has participated today in the yesterday in the Christmas celebrations. Apart from that, he has visited Honorable Pope, excellent equations with the church. This cannot be equated with a state-sponsored, I would say, unethical thing. This is not state-sponsored at all. Are there conversions not happening? Yes, conversions are happening under the garb of seva. But let's not mix a delivery boy wearing a Santa Claus for a marketing campaign with a well-planned conversion attempt. The root cause is the mistrust. The root cause is misinformation. The root cause is ability to get ignited on non-issues. And that's what the real problem is. In my opinion, this is not an issue. Yeah, go ahead.
No. Anurag Naidu, I just want to bring you in here. I don't have too much time on this debate, but the real issue to me is majoritarian bullying. We could get the Fab India ad withdrawn. आप Zomato को दिखाते हैं. So Zomato will ensure next year that something like this doesn't happen.
Yeah, I think
you have essentially bullied them into silence.
Before going into that, Shreya, I just wanted to, correct me if my understanding is wrong. I just heard the panelists telling that the brand value of, Jai Shri Ram or anything, that is not as appealing as Santa. Is that correct? What I just heard?
No.
Because to me, that
sounds
like
of course he didn't say that.
If you're comparing that,
anyone who goes to the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya right now will know that that is not something that was said.
The panelist just said that you don't have a marketable appeal. I mean, I can just quote unquote, you remind.
No.
Marketable. Somebody has a marketable appeal. That's why, it's a brand and it sells. That's why you're doing it. It has nothing to do with the religion. Fine. But to say that you don't have a marketable appeal is absurd.
The BJP has
it's absurd.
Marketed Lord Ram so well that they have won election after election on his name. How are you saying he's not marketable?
Entire national media.
is to
entire
have
national
your
media
own
made their
contract with the
fortune
एक
Zomato.
minute,
just
Naidu.
by one Ram Mandir inauguration. Entire national media made their fortunes of money and TRP, one of the highest blockbusters of all time in the time that we live in. And you're telling it's not marketable. That's absurd.
हाँ.
Don't bring this kind
No,
of an absurd
you are
comparison when you don't
misquoting
know
me.
anything about
नहीं
it.
You are
I would
नहीं
say
नहीं
let's
नहीं
not.
नहीं अनुराग
You are
अनुराग
misquoting.
अनुराग let Dr. Uday clarify.
You are misquoting me, misunderstanding me, maybe without purpose or with purpose, I don't know. What I said, if you want this kind of thing to be protested, the better way is you draw your line bigger. You have a Ram Navami contract with Zomato. That's it. I did not comment whether it is marketable thing or not,
I
whether
don't
it is
think this has-
advisable or not. That's not
Fair
the
enough.
objective.
Fair
The
enough,
objective
but
is,
I don't.
why do you stop him from doing, the poor boy?
Should we?
When
Should
they
we
have done a
compete?
marketing contract,
Is it a
when you
playground of
can't market
competition?
your Sankranti, Valentine will be in progress. If you want a Valentine to be at that level and a Sankranti to be at a much
Bhaiya,
larger level,
You know,
market it
after
properly.
this,
I think.
Uday ji, after this, I don't think Zomato is going to dress up anyone as Santa Claus or Lord Ram or Lord Hanuman.
That's
That
their
much
choice.
I'm sure of.
That's their choice.
They have already
That's
burned their
choice, but-
fingers. कहते हैं ना
That's their
दूध का
choice.
जला
But don't,
फूक फूक के
Shreya,
whatever.
we should not
हाँ.
make this a ground of competition. Shreya, see, we should not make it as ground of competition. We're not competing between religions. We're not competing between things. Because I don't know that where the gentleman is coming from. But the euphoria on Ram Navami and every look and corner in the streets of India, I don't know. I think the gentleman lives in India or abroad. I don't know. But you have to be on the street to see the euphoria. So don't make this kind of
Bombay.
comparison. It's not about comparison, but we strongly condemn what is happening. But we need to understand, just by taking action
So
or
the
calling
good thing
names will
is
not solve the problem.
that
Having
everyone-
a prime time demise will not have solved this problem.
Okay.
Let's understand why this is happening. Why this
my
mindset?
point is
What
the
has been
delivery
the
boy,
experience?
Anurag Naidu, was simply doing his job.
Absolutely, yes.
There was no
He
need
was
to
doing
bully
his
him
job.
and ask
Absolutely
him
no need.
questions
We
like
stand in
Ram Navami
solidarity
पे
with
या
him.
दिवाली पे राम
We
भगवान की
stand-
तरह बन के क्यों delivery नहीं करते?
We stand in solidarity with the young
And
delivery
all of
boy.
us agree that what happened in Indore and in Lucknow is wrong. So we may have our own ideologies. We may vote for different parties. All of us are Hindus in this panel. Okay, we had one Christian as well. But all of us agree that what happened in Indore and what happened in Lucknow was simply wrong.